No, that's okay. We'll start over because I didn't love my answer anyway. So now I can do it better.
All right.
I love take two. So
Okay. And take two. Okay. Okay.
I could talk a little bit, and you could just see if any of it resonates.
I'm so confident that this will not go well.
Okay, cool.
It's an easy lift.
How many more questions we got?
Since I'm not on camera,
Nah.
then
Yeah, I noticed that. I'm not here by myself. There could be a conversational, we could be going back and forth.
that's next to
Presentation once memorized, and I've lost it.
Lori Kavanaugh, and I am the VP of. Let me start over. Jesus. Cut. And break.
Advanced mapping. Okay. I got this.
and cut.
Yeah.
Oh, you're interrupting taping. I'm on air.
You're going to edit this. I'm just laughing. I'm like, I got ahead of myself tonight.